Hi everyone, I'm Josh Saniel and I'll be showing and discussing to you my code of about dynamic festival ticket pricing. So if you want to read the descriptions, you can pause it for you to know the details. So let's proceed. So here first I input include that hashtag include istdio.h. So this tells the compiler to that I will be putting code to give value to my input and output. So here in main, this means that I will be starting to code inside this bracket. So we have three types of variable holders. These are the float, int, and char. So float, if we have in decimal numbers like point 0, 10, 10.05, 10.50, just like that. And the int is our integer, 10 whole number, 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. And char is used mostly in symbols and letters. So we will be using letters here. If you read in the student status, y for yes and n for no. So we will be inputting y and n. So those are letters. So here next is printf. So printf is the input. You input the title. Here is the title, Dynamic Festival Ticket Pricing. Then the scanf is the output. So the scanf reads your printf. Basahon niya mong printf. Then inside of our scanf is the %f. So if you notice that %f is not di sila parehas diri sa ubos %d because we have base price. So base price are the variables of float. So kung nasa float imong variables kani base price nasa sa float, we use %f. If nasa sa integers int, we use %d as the same as car student %d. So scanf %f and base price. So and means call nato ang variables. We calling out our variables. So if you notice here, also end of our title is \n. This means that space na para di magsumpay ang sa kaning pricing og base price kay magdikit man na siya kung may space. Then here in base price mag-input din ta diri dayon. Then day of the week, just like what I said here in base price, maura sila nga pagka-forma. No, nagsulat tag printf input nato title, then scanf mag-read sa atong printf, tapos i-recall din nato ang day kay day man dire, day of the week man dire kay base price, so base price po natong i-recall. Then age, also age mura gihapon. Then here in student status, mag-input tag y or y for yes and for no. So we will using car, nagamit tag car, nara car. So scanf dayon, no, %c, then we call out our variables up sa taas. Then here final price is equals to base price. So mag-input man ta diri base price, so example 100. So 100 is equals to final price 100. So base price 100 is equals to final price 100. Kaya wa pa man nato nagamit atong formula. No, nara atong formula diri sa boss. So we will use, say gamito nato selection statement. So sa diri sa number 1, ang selection statement there is mao ni siyang if og else. If else na mo na siya. Kung gusto pa mo makabalo, daghan na sa YouTube. So then increase diri mo ni siyang kuan conditions, increase by 20% if the day is Saturday 6 or Sunday 7. Increase daw tag 20%. So here the 20% of the discount, 20% of value of 20% discount is 1.2. So we put day if day is double equal to 6. This double equal means that day is just equal to 6, parehas sa sila value, no? So ang 6 kay Saturday. So here is double line means or 7, day 7. So bisan asa sila duha mo ang i-input nimo diri sa day kani day of the week mo gana gyapon ang formula nato. So sa naglibog di ay no nganong nay kani times equal, so shortcut ra na siya, no? Ang uh, formula niya is final price is just equal to final 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 price times 1.2. So ingan parehas ra sila og value. So this means that final price is equals to final price times 1.2. So gana na. So diri sa ikaduha na pod nga condition is discount 50% sa edad og 12 paubos og 30% discount sa nag-edad og 30 or 65 or equals to 65, about greater than 65 or equals to 65. So here mo na ang discount value sa 50%, discount value sa 30%. So mo gigamit ra gyapon nato itong formula, no, plus ani sa babaw, mo ra gyapon sila kay discount man. Ang ato lang if nato is not change kay mo naman yung condition below 12 years old, so diri pod greater than equal to 65 years old. So diri utro pod sa F sa pag-input din nimo sa age, no, makalkula na nila, ma-determine niya kung kuan ba ka 12 below or 65 up, no? Kung dili ka, kung naka edad nimo sa 40 years old, so this discount will not work. So the student here, student double equals to big Y. So this big Y means if we input big Y, dako nga Y, this formula will work. But if we put other numbers or small y, other numbers, n kay n matong gamiton for now, this formula will not work. So magstay ra ni siya sa base price o sa final price diri, no, kung wala man siya makuha diri nga discount sa ubang kuan party. So magstay ra siya, hindi ni magana nga formula. Then last one is printf. So atong printf nato ang final output niya. So diri ang total ani nga mga kuan kani then total ana niya nga ang answer is ma-print sa final ticket price na print ani niya. Then we use %.2f because nakabutang diri 2 decimal place. So if mag-as sila 0.5 decimal 5 decimal place, so we will put 0.5, and mag-as sila 0.4, will input 0.4. Mag-as sila 4 decimal places, mag-input tag 0.4. So 2.2 and \n for space, then final price. So let's run it. So just like we have example guy na 100 base price na to, day of the week, so 1 Monday, age I'm 18, then student, yes, then the final ticket price is 90. So 100 minus 10% is equals to 90, no? So we got the input format that they ask here. So the base price, day of the week, age, student status, and the final ticket price, no? Base price here, day of the week, age, student status, and final ticket price. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.